Welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In this video, we'll explore one of the newest features in Odoo 18, blocking and unblocking payments. So let's start by creating a new invoice. To do this, navigate to the accounting module, go to Customers, Invoices, and click New to create a new one. From here, select the customer. Let's use Deco Edit and add some product. At this point, the invoice will be in a draft state. Once you've reviewed everything, click Confirm, and its status will change to Posted. We can see a Pay button is available now, so we can create a payment. But let's say this invoice requires additional approvals from management before it can be paid. So we need to block it to delay the payment without risking accidental processing. To do this, go to the Actions menu and select Block Payment. Once blocked, you'll notice that the Pay button disappears. This ensures no one can accidentally or prematurely process a payment for this invoice. When the payment is ready to be processed, you can easily unblock it. To do this, go back to the Actions menu and select Unblock Payment. The Pay button will reappear, making the invoice eligible for payment processing again. Now we can create the payment. Last thing I'd like to emphasize is that Odoo doesn't allow you to block payments for invoices that have already been paid. Attempting to do so will result in an error message, ensuring financial data remains consistent and accurate. However, you can block payments for invoices that are still in a draft status. So, blocking and unblocking payments in Odoo 18 is a simple but powerful tool. If an invoice has incorrect details, or sometimes an invoice needs additional management approvals before it can be paid, blocking the payment prevents premature settlement while the issue is resolved. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.